What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can upload auto loop videos on Behance project. Well, the process of doing that is very simple. For that, you just have to open up your Behance. Now, in the Behance, this is how the homepage will look like. Here, what you have to do is you just have to simply click on update your project or upload something. Now, what I'll do is I'll just click on this, share your work, and then click on project. And there you go. It'll take you to this page. Now here what you have to do is you just have to upload any of the video you want to upload, not in the Behance, you have to upload it to your Vimeo. So for that you need to follow these instructions. First things first, you need to log into your Vimeo account, click on new video, and then simply drag the file, the video you want to upload. Now after dragging the file, your video will be uploaded. Now once you uploaded your video, you will easily be able to see an option for embed. Just click on embed and you will be able to get your embed link. Now once you have that embed link, what you have to do is you just have to come back to Behance and then click on embed here as well. Now you will have that code from the Vimeo. Just paste your code right here, and there you go. That is your loop video will be posted on Behance. That's pretty much it. That's all. Be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.